The rattlesnake, also known as the rattler, is one of the most well-known snake species in North America. Rattlesnakes inhabit a variety of natural environments, including deserts, forests, grasslands, and rocky areas. They are primarily found in the United States and Mexico, but they also inhabit parts of Canada and South America. Rattlesnakes prefer warm, dry places and are most active during the warmer seasons. It is noteworthy that rattlesnakes are not inherently aggressive toward humans. They prefer to flee or hide when they sense danger. The rattle they carry serves as a means of defense, warning other creatures to keep their distance. This sound is produced by the vibration of a protein structure in the snake's tail, known as keratin. Rattlesnakes use this loud rattle to warn off predators. Notably, they increase the intensity of this sound as a predator gets closer. However, a recent study has indicated that rattlesnakes employ another tactic, creating an auditory illusion that makes surrounding creatures perceive them as closer than they actually are. Therefore, the rattling sound produced by these snakes has a more complex nature and function than previously believed. Boris Chagnot, a professor of neuroscience at the University of Graz, stated in a press release published on Urec Alert that their data shows the rattlesnake's rattle, long interpreted as a simple warning signal, is actually a complex communication signal between the snakes themselves. The discovery of these complex signals was entirely accidental. As Chagnot approached a rattlesnake in his lab one day, he noticed that the rattling intensity increased as he got closer and decreased as he moved away. To investigate further, the team recorded the rattle's frequency as various objects, such as a black disc or a human-like figure, approached the snake. The scientists observed that the rattle frequency initially increased at a steady rate of 40 Hz as a threat source approached for the first time. However, the frequency suddenly jumped to between 60 and 100 Hz as the threat got closer. The researchers also noted that the rattle rate increased more rapidly when the object approached the snake faster, while the size of the object did not affect the frequency level. To understand why the rattlesnake changes its rattle frequency so abruptly, the team conducted an experiment with volunteers in a virtual snake simulation. Volunteers were asked to approach a virtual snake, and the researchers monitored the changes in the rattle rate. When the volunteers were 4 meters away from the virtual snake, the snake emitted a rattle at 70 Hz, which gave the impression that it was only 1 meter away from its attackers. This means the rattlesnake increases its rattle frequency to create an auditory illusion, making it seem closer than it actually is. Chagnot believes that rattlesnakes create this auditory illusion to establish a safety margin between themselves and their attackers. The human auditory system, as well as those of closely related mammals, perceives these frequency changes and associates them with decreasing distance. However, the sudden increase in rattle frequency deceives the auditory system into thinking the snake is much closer than it is. According to a report published on Live Science, Chagnot asserts that rattlesnakes deceive their attackers as they get closer. He notes that these snakes not only warn of their presence, but have also developed an auditory distance warning system similar to that of a car's reverse alarm. Rattlesnakes are known for their potent venom, which contains a mixture of enzymes and toxins that help immobilize their prey and facilitate rapid digestion. They capture their prey using their sharp senses, including a strong sense of smell and the ability to detect heat through thermal pits located between their eyes and nostrils. These pits enable them to detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. Rattlesnakes are predominantly nocturnal, which helps them avoid the extreme daytime heat of the desert. They primarily feed on rodents, such as mice and rats, but they may also consume birds and small reptiles. After biting their prey, they allow it to succumb to the venom before swallowing it whole. Despite their fearsome reputation, rattlesnakes play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They help control the population of rodents, which can cause significant damage to crops and spread diseases. Therefore, the presence of rattlesnakes can be an indicator of a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Rattlesnakes are of significant interest to many researchers and scientists, not only because of their unique behavior and potent venom, but also because of their potential medical benefits. Rattlesnake venom contains components that may be useful in developing medications to treat various medical conditions, including blood clots and high blood pressure. In conclusion, the rattlesnake is a fascinating creature that exemplifies adaptation and survival in its environment. Although it instills fear in many, understanding its role in nature and respecting its existence can contribute to maintaining ecological balance and harnessing its potential benefits in medicine and science. And that wraps up our deep dive into the fascinating world of rattlesnakes. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What fact about rattlesnakes surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next adventure into the wonders of nature. See you next time.